Hello, everybody, and welcome to Indonesia's New Energy Paradigm, a digital series brought to you by Enlit Asia and our partner NKI. This series is sponsored by PLN, and this episode is sponsored by Uniper. Today's episode will look at PLN's digital future. I'd like to introduce Syamsul Huda, Director of PLN's Business for Sulawesi, Papua, Maluku, and Nusa, Tenggara region. Welcome.
Hi, Pak Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, and thank you for joining us. If I could, I'd like to begin the interview by asking you, we'll ask you to outline for us the PLN's digitalization strategy. What does it encompass, and what objectives are you hoping to achieve?
Yeah, we implement digitalization strategy from upstreams to downstreams of our services. Our energy supply chain from power generation, transmission, distribution to retail or customer have been improved so that its services become faster, more reliable and efficient in our electricity production and business model. For us, the main objective of digitalization is developing business processes that meet with new ecosystem and industry so that PLN become lean to achieve cost saving and efficiency in terms of supply side. From demand side, digitalization has helped us in increasing engagement with our customer, achieving the better customer experiences.
Okay, thanks for that. Can you provide us with some feedback on PLN's smart meter, such as automatic meter reading rollout, and some feedback as to how this has progressed to date?
PLN started to install EMR since 2000. Nowadays, we have installed over 261,000 meters around Indonesia, especially for premium large customer, mostly industrial customer. The objective primarily is to achieve real-time metering of energy usage. Based on the real-time data, customer will have their energy consumption figures, so they can analyze on daily basis to optimize their business operation to be more efficient. This program is running well, and we have been receiving good feedback from our customer. Even some of them require to move forward to further step by installing EMI, Advanced Metering Infrastructure. EME implementation is still on preparation, on the progress are on the right track. Right now, we do proof of concept for certain proven technologies that already implemented in other energy company. Hopefully, we can implement this technology by 2021.
In light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, this has pushed digitalization to the spotlight, but has this changed the direction of PLN's digitalization strategy in any way? Have you reprioritized any of your projects or reallocated funding to support additional digitalization?
Yes, we know that pandemic is an unprecedented event and hit all around the world and business. None of us in the world has ready, and each of business has to tackle by their own way. No single recipes. In Indonesia, COVID-19 has made slow down almost every sector and business, including energy and utility industry. Our growth of electricity sales is suddenly decreasing start from March. After the 2 months earlier, it looked promising. Nevertheless, some of our digitalization programs are still on schedule for implementation, such as new version of the PLN mobile and e-mobility digital platform for electric vehicle infrastructure. Indeed, some programs which need huge investment have been postponed, such as AMI and smart microgrid at some islands.
I see. So could you share with us a few lessons learned on the digital projects that PLN has undertaken, and maybe some of the things you would have done differently, knowing what you know now?
Yeah, digitalization indeed have changed some of our practices. The most progressive digitalization we have undertaken is on power generation. We have developed advanced analytic data system at some power plant in Jawa Bali grid system since few years ago through our subsidiary companies, PGB and Indonesia Power. PGB implemented REMDOC and Indonesia Power developed REOC. The analytical data has proven well to increase the power plant reliability and reducing the power generation cost. Some of operator works have been changed. New SOPs are introduced. From this power plant digitalization project, we learned that the key success factor for digitalization is data and asset management.
I see. In light of that, how are PLN's digitalization efforts working to support bigger digitalization efforts by the government and other stakeholders?
We have strong cooperation with other stakeholders for putting digitalization on Indonesia utility grid system, especially with Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources. For example, with full support from Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources, some smart grid program in Java Island has been approved as one of national strategic program. We also get support from international agencies such as IEA, International Energy Agency, USAID, ADB, and some other to develop smart grid program in PLN.
So how do you see digitalization impacting PLN's business processes? Which areas do you see, where do you see the maximum benefit for the organization in adopting digital technologies?
Of course, the impact is big. Power utility business is a business that close with and rely on technology. Digitalization on power utility is conducted by three ways: process automation, digital enablement, and advanced analytics. The first one, process automation, it help us to make our process, both production and business process, to be lean and faster. The second one, digital enablement. Digitalization is also enabling new level of performance. For example, by using automated drone backed by cognitive capabilities for inspecting network in the field during maintenance. It helps to reduce time and cost for maintenance. The last advanced analytic that will make digitalization go to the next stage. The system will be smarter and more resilient. At the end of the point of view, it should increase our business performance, not only reducing production costs, but also harvesting efficiency and sustainability along the electricity supply chain and industry.
Right, and so how do you believe digitalization will influence relationships between PLN and your customers, your employees, and as well as your ability to manage assets?
The digitalization provides us a new experience for customer engagement within personalized and data-driven experience through such IoT application like PLN Mobile. It also opens new opportunity when PLN wants to deliver new beyond electricity services and increase custom experiences. The digitalization, as we acquired best practices in regional Sulawesi, give us employee experience in workforce, embracing culture like remote working, digital document, and so on. It also encourages employees for collaborating with artificial intelligence and machine through smartphone or other devices. We believe digitalization will make our operation more accurate and efficient, and our business process to be smarter through process automation. By connecting asset and grid optimization analysis, we focus to optimize our inventory management, to increase our cost saving, improve our power quality.
So do you anticipate any threats, both from a business perspective and a cybersecurity perspective?
The main threat of digitalization on our grid and business system is cybersecurity attack. We have developed high encrypted data system to deal with it. In addition, we continuously run regular technical meetings with national cybersecurity to anticipate these challenges.
And so can you outline for us the role of the international community in supporting PLN's digitalization strategy? What expertise and technologies are you specifically looking to bring to Indonesia?
Basically, the supporting we hope from the international community consists of two components. First is technical capability building. It hopefully can be fulfilled by such international agencies such as IEA, SIGRE, SHIRT, and others. The second one is funding support. It can be conducted by such financial global institutions such as EDB, World Bank, Asian Bank, IDB, USAID, and other G2G grants.
Okay, good. And so for my last question, your experiences and sharing about digitalization in PLN has been very interesting. So how optimistic is PLN that you can adopt a big data ecosystem where all strategic data are integrated and can be analyzed? And what will assist digital decision making in all PLN's business operations?
Right. Big data analysis is necessity for today's business, not exceptional for PLN. We are now improving business performance based on data. We have started the first implementation in region Sulawesi, especially in distribution and marketing area. We use the big data we have to find new opportunity and improvement. In distribution area, implementation of big data analysis in distribution line has made us developing map of urgency that we should handle. By using asset management, we made visualization about map of electricity burnout. We can call it ENS calendar. So now our managers on the field are able to figure out how our energy has been distributed to the end and where are the losses along the distribution lines. Our marketing department is now able to make analysis so that we understand who customer that be in debt and where they usually pay their bills. By using our big data, we can identify customer behavior in terms of their electricity consumption and payment. We can monitor the monthly sales growth until sub-district level, so it can be used by local government if they need it in regional development. Having succeeded with the implementation in Sulawesi region, we are now ready to roll out this implementation to other PLN regional business.
Well, Mr. Huda, thank you very much for your time. I really enjoyed speaking with you.